Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to create Boolean expressions. In the past classes we have seen simple Boolean expressions, we have seen complex Boolean expressions connected using a logical operator, we learned about Boolean operators. Today we will learn a tool that will be very helpful to you to solve a complex Boolean expression. When Boolean expressions are more than two, sometimes you have 3, 4 and all, a tool like this comes very handy and it's very easy to use. Let's take an example. We are taking a Boolean expression that says A is greater than B and A is greater than C, or we are also saying C is less than A. For a given value of A equal to 10, B equal to 8 and C equal to 9, what should be the final result of this expression? Should it be true or false? Remember, a complex Boolean expression is one where you have more than one Boolean expression connected using AND or not. Now, what we really do is we draw circles for true and false. Let's evaluate the first one, A greater than B. Is 10 greater than 8? Answer is true. So we draw a true circle here. This results into true for the given value. When is A greater than C? 10 greater than 9? Answer is yes, it is true. Now, since these two expressions are connected using AND, we will evaluate this first. Remember, the true and true, both conditions are true, is going to be true. On the other side, is C less than A? C is 9, A is 10. Is 9 less than 10? Yes, so answer is also true. Now you have got two truths, true or true, and we have learned from the truth table, when true and true both are true, the final answer is true. Now one question you want to ask, why did we evaluate the AND first here and then we evaluated OR? The answer lies in the order of precedence. AND is always evaluated first, and that's why I started with these two circles here and here and then got the answer. And then that final, this basically indirectly I'm saying that this piece, these expressions got evaluated, then result got evaluated with this part. And you can see here the first one, actually I should change the color to show you. The inner one in blue is this, right? That's where it leads to the final answer here. And then the other one, and then together you get the final result. So I hope you understand this. You can play with this with different numbers, different values. You can take some expressions I have taken here in this example. You can see the examples I took it here. If A, B and C, what happens? But you can use the truth table too for the same. But I prefer a decision tree. That way it's much easier to visualize very quickly. You can draw it on pen and paper and see your final answer. Now, where would you use it in Java? When you write a complex expression and based on different values, you may get true or false. You want to try and see whether you constructed the expression correctly or not. And as I say, anytime in doubt, always use parentheses. If you're not sure, you want this to be first anyway, you want to be this one. But in case you want it to be other way around, you don't want AND to take over, then you can also say this in this expression. In this case, you will evaluate this and you'll get the answer here. And then you will connect this answer here and you get final answer here. Then things will change if you use parentheses, because you are telling Java to override the default order of precedence. Rather than evaluating AND first, you want it OR to be evaluated, and the final result of this will be evaluated against the first expression. Then things change completely. Hope you understood and hope you like this decision tree. I hope that you really use it, and especially in the beginning where you are still learning, you don't want to make mistakes. These Boolean expressions can be very confusing. It can give you very different results if not used correctly. So when you're constructing it, play with different values, especially the boundary values. So when you say a is less than equal to b, you want to play with a number where a and b both are equal to, because you don't want to try only with less than. When the expression says less than equal to, you want to try one time less than value, another time equal to value, and see what is the result you are getting it. That's all in today's class. Thank you very much. Continue to learn and practice. Go ahead and take the quiz and test your knowledge. If required, come back and review some of these lessons and watch the video again. As I always say, take time to practice, because practice is the only way to learn coding. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.